What's up, guys? It's me, Umair Ramay, aka Geek from Hong Kong. So the question is that should you repair replace a broken tech? Okay, this is a very interesting question. I'm a green environment guy. I support recycle. I always try to buy a refurbished product. That's how I am. But should you replace a broken gadget? Like few years ago you can easily repair it, but right now repairing do not make sense unless you're talking about the smartphone. Like if they have a bad headphone jack or screen break, definitely repair it, do not replace it. But if you're talking about something, I mean, like tablet or some kind of that stuff, I mean, even nowadays, I mean, repairing a laptop has become hard, I mean, due to the slimness. This is a very tricky question. There is no right or wrong answer. If you can repair, always go for a repair product. If you are going to replace something broken, then always try to buy refurbished. Again, a lot of people don't like to use. I understand. Buy refurbished, buy factory refurbished. I'm a big fan of refurbished product. I mean, this laptop. If you don't know, this laptop is a 4,500. Yeah, 4,500 US dollar laptop which I bought for refurbished. This is a NASA laptop. This went into the space, I mean, mission. There's a lot of history. But I buy a lot of refurbished product. I mean, I buy this refurbished, this refurbished. I mean, okay. I mean, yeah, I buy a lot of refurbished products. So just buy a refurbished product. If you have any more question, it was me, Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Bye.